there is a website which is like a search engine in order to create images very quickly. This is not it. It's not. This one is a playground, but I just opened it because you can take prompts. But I will show you. The site is named PicFinder.ai. So at the moment of this video, just today, I read this. It's experiencing a surge in traffic, and our servers are feeling the pressure. So it means it won't be as fast as before yesterday, for instance, when I tried it. But you know, look, for instance, you want a picture of a monkey, voilà, a monkey eating a banana. So now, usually, maybe when you will try it, you will have images already, and you can scroll down. But now, it's doing this, it's waiting. Usually, you have the image, and you scroll down, and it generates new images from your prompt. So that's a difference between this way and other ways, like playground, where you can ask for 4 images at a time. So let's say a monkey eating a banana. If I do create, okay, with a playground, a monkey eating a banana, you can select Stable Diffusion 1.5 or 2.1, and here you can select 4 images and the size also. To generate, you have 4 images at once. So you have okay, 3, and then you need to generate again to have more. But here, well, okay, here generated 4. Again, if I refresh, so usually you scroll down and you get more and more images. It's very fast generation. So are they the same? They don't look. Maybe it's Stable Diffusion 2.1 that they use. So 4 images, a monkey eating a banana. So this one is fast also, but this one, nothing beats it if it's not experiencing too much traffic. So once you have one you want, you can just download it, and if you want to upscale it, then you have to use other tools, but just to have something. So here I took a prompt. If I put it inside and go, it creates the image. I don't know if you saw what I took. I took a prompt from a similar image of a house in a mountain. And so you get many. And here you have the settings. You can choose a square, tall or wide. Let's say tall, and do again. And now you have tall images of this prompt. And they're looking nice, I think. It's okay. And wide. Okay, so that's it. That's the only settings you have on this site, is the image size. You cannot choose anything. So it's very quick. And usually, as I said, it works instantly. Even faster than this one. Here, if I want to have the image, long image, so I cannot choose Stable Diffusion 2.1. I need this one. A monkey eating a banana. And I need to choose a size. So which will maybe this one. And 4 images, yes. Okay, and you have more settings here. And of course, with the Playground AI, you can then generate variation of some picture you like. You can put negative prompts also, which is now the standard to avoid, for example, to avoid the face being cut off, you write in negative comment, face cut off, or bad anatomy. For instance, if you have to not have 2 arms and things like this. Not 2 arms, but I mean 4 arms. So this one has generated a few, and you scroll down, and usually it always shows as you scroll down. So try it. Go to PicFinder.ai